Hi, this is Dr. Marjan Dorkhan. I'm the Specialist Endodontist working at Dr. Joy Dental Clinic. Today we will be talking about benefits of using a microscope during root canal treatments. There are many benefits of microscope-assisted root canal treatments. One of them being improved visualization. Using a microscope allows for a clearer and magnified view of the root canal, which can aid in detecting small or calcified canals, fractures, and other issues that might not be visible to the naked eye. The second benefit being enhanced patient comfort. Microscope-assisted root canal treatments can be completed in fewer visits due to improved visualization and accuracy, resulting in more efficient treatment. Hence, fewer appointments are needed and patients experience less discomfort during treatment. The third one being improved long-term outcomes, as microscope-assisted root canal treatments help provide patients with a thorough cleaning and filling of the root canal. It can ensure the long-term success of the treatment by reducing the risk of reinfection, retreatments, and tooth loss. And number 4, increased accuracy. It helps to increase the accuracy and precision of the treatment by reducing the risk of instrument breakage, perforations, and missed canals. Hence, the usage of microscope for root canal treatments can reduce complications. So if you have any issues and problems from your teeth in form of severe sensitivity or toothache, don't hesitate. Come and see us at Dr. Joy Dental Clinic. You're welcome. Thank you.